Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Yuka app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page you click on storage, then you click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.